Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have Redmi Watch 6 and today I'm going to show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. Unpairing could be useful if you want to pair your watch with another device, or maybe you want to sell it or give it away to somebody. Anything that would require you to disconnect it from your account and your phone basically. So let's get started. And the first thing we need to do is to open the Mi Fitness application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app we can tap on device, and here you should see your Redmi Watch 6. Now scroll down, tap on more, and here at the bottom you will see the Unpair button. Tap on it, tap on OK, and the watch will disappear from the app. We can close the app now, go to the Bluetooth settings on your phone, and check if the watch is right here on the list of previously connected devices. It's not, so we can close the settings. And if you go to your watch, it's probably gonna be resetting itself to the factory default settings, so let's wait until it's done. Should be quite soon actually, like this. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.